van, I come feel the rhythm.
She a 2008 Dodge, Snow White and clean, light gray inside, looking sharp and serene. 3.3 V6 under the hood, smooth and strong. 4-speed auto shifting easy, carry we along. White Caravan, skank it nice and slow. 7 seats for the family, everywhere we go, Stow go. Drop them seats to the floor, big cargo space, carry more and more. White Caravan, practical and sweet, reasonable on the petrol, can't be beat. Reverse camera watching out for we, Vancouver Island dream machine. Irie, load up the kids and the cooler full of red stripe. Head to Trevor Beach, feel the sunshine ripe. Half fold, every seat flat, pick up lumber and board. Home Depot to the yard, never feel ignored. White Caravan, skank it nice and slow. From Nanaimo to Tofino, everywhere we flow, Stow go magic. Seats disappear, 1 minute 7 people, next minute clear. White Caravan, sensible and wise, big smile on your face, dollar signs in your eyes. 3.3 liters of power, smooth and cool. Best family wagon, that's the golden rule. Yeah man, roof rails up top of the kayak or the bike. Cruise control locking, feeling I read a whole ride. Camera in the back so you never hit the fence. White Caravan make plenty sense. White Caravan, rolling down the island road. 7 seats, a big flatbed, carry any load. Stow go, watch the seats them drop. Vancouver Island family, never have to stop. White Caravan, White Caravan, feel the reggae beat, most practical ride you ever gonna meet. Come take a drive, come feel the vibe today. White Caravan, carry we away.